What if I told you there are AI tools making money for everyone? Today, I'm revealing 3 secret AI tools hardly anyone knows about. These tools help creators, freelancers, and marketers earn real income daily. Don't skip ahead, because number 3 will blow your mind. Meet Maverick, our first tool. It creates personalized videos effortlessly. Record once, and Maverick customizes it for every client. E-commerce stores and coaches boost conversions and build trust using it. You can charge businesses to create personalized experiences. More trust means more sales. Next up is Durable, an AI website builder. It spins up a fully functional website in under 60 seconds. Just type your business details and get a complete site. People make money offering this as a freelance service. Charge $100 to $300 per site, and Durable does the heavy lifting. Finally, we have Fliki. This AI turns text into stunning videos. Create YouTube videos, TikToks, or even product showcases from text. Combine it with ChatGPT for seamless script writing. Some creators earn passive income monthly through YouTube automation. There you have it. 3 AI tools making waves today. Maverick for video personalization, Durable for quick website building, and Fliki for video automation. Which tool will you try first? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more hidden AI tools to help you earn in 2025.